tatoverar i Island eisen kommer til Klaksvíkar her til Liva tiltaket. Og her en føringer som heter Jekvan Peter, som just har funnet sin tatovering. Fikk du ilt, Jekvan Peter?
Ja, jeg synes det.
Hvordan ble det til at du valgte å få en tatovering?
Jeg vil skal konna.
Da var konan til at du valgte tatoveringer?
Ja, det er alltid, ja.
Hva er det for noe som du har funnet i armen?
Det er hjärsta, eller till en rosa, så hjärsta och en krossrå.
Vet du tatoveringar, eller det första för?
Nej, det är den första.
You are a tattoo artist. Are there many Faroese people who have come to get a tattoo from you?
Yes, I was fully booked. I was booked crazy for these 3 days that I am here. But then I'm coming back in the G-Fest because there are at least 90 people waiting. And there are coming 3 of us, 2 tattoo artists and 1 piercer around the G-Fests, and we will stay around 10 days then. Yeah, so this is a little warm-up, and it's been really cool. I love Faroe Islands.
Is this the first time you've been to the Faroe Islands?
I came here tattooing in 97 and 99, so I was tattooing here last century.